Hello everyone, welcome back to the topic device control with control valve. Okay, now we create the main routine in the program and call this routine to run. Right click on control valve and insert a new routine. We name it a main routine. And assignment, we select main. Open main routine and insert the run to use GSR jump to subroutine instruction. To call the analog input and output routine. We jump to four routines: control valve analog input row, control valve analog input scaling, control valve analog output row, and control valve analog output unscaling. Next, we create a new run and use the for instruction. The routine name we input control valve. For index, that's the running number. It's the index of control valve. We alias when we create the text. For example, I already create the text CV1325 with alias for alias to control valve number 1. So index here E1. But in this for instruction, we need to create the text for index. I will assign the text E control valve index. With the data type DIN. For initial value, I just let 0. For terminal value, that's value at which to stop the executing the routine. We create a tag name control valve terminal value. With the data type DIN. For step size, we put 1. Okay, that's done for instruction. Now in control valve routine, we need more tool runs to link with this for instruction. We open the control valve routine. The first run at the top of routine. With a COP copy file instruction. In this COP, the switch is control valve. Control valve index. The depth is control valve. And length is 1. The second run at the bottom of routine. Also with a COP instruction. In this COP is opposite with a port COP. The switch is control valve. The depth is control valve. Control valve index. And the length is 1. Okay, that's done for control valve routine. Now I show you how to put the range min max for analog input and output of control valve. We come to controller task. Set the CV1325 and expand on members. First is about the range of CVEU. Max is 100. It means the control valve open 100%. Min is 0. It means the control valve closed 0%. For the range of CV0 min and CV0 max, we put 0 and 30840. This range we got in the manual of analog output module. You can come back to the video of analog input and output. I already explained very clearly in that video. For the range of PV EU min and PV EU max, we put 0 and 100. And for the range of PV0 min and PV0 max, we put 0 and 30840. And we run down to the phone timer. We put the preset time is 5000. It means 5000 milliseconds or 5 seconds. And one more time, for specific this control valve, if PLC requests this control valve to open, if the actual control valve on site don't open within 5 seconds, the bit of phone alarm will be triggered. That's the meaning of phone timer. Okay, now we come to the program to control this control valve. In this application, this control valve CV1325 control the steam pressure of process. I create a PID pressure indicator transmitter with the name 1102 underscore BV in the controller text. This the process value. We create a routine with name CV1325 tie ladder diagram. Open it. Okay, now I will create a basic program to control this control valve. When the pressure from PIT 1102 is under 5 bar, the control valve CV1325 will open to 100%. And when the pressure from PIT 1102 is above 5 bar, the control valve CV1325 will open to 35%. Normally, to control the steam pressure via a control valve, we will use the PID, but in this video, we focus on the control valve only. So for PID, I will create another video for it. Okay, we add a new run, insert a LES instruction. So A, we put PIT 1102 BV. So B, we put 5. This less LES lead to a move instruction. So A E100 and so B is CV1325 dot CVEU. We add a new run. We insert GRT instruction. So A we put PIT 1102 PV. So B we put 8. And this GRT lead to move instruction. So A is 35 and so B we put CV1325 dot CVEU. Okay, that's all for control valve programming. Hope you can do by yourself. See you in the next video.